Good morning, students. I am going to explain about to compare to function because you have already studied about so many functions, but I did not discuss about this particular function. Uh, and one or two questions are being asked into the council examinations related to compare to function or equal to functions, right? So what is the compare to functions? What is the meaning of compare to function is it compares to string. What it does, it compare to string and it returns the negative integer value or positive integer or the zero value on the basis of if we are comparing, if we are saying if string a1 is less than string a2, then negative integer we will get the value in negative integer. If string a1 is greater than a2, then we will get the positive integer. If string a1 is equal to a2, then we will get the 0, right? So what the compare to function does, it returns the integer value. This is the answer, right? So when we compare two strings using compare to function, I am giving you example here. String a1 is equal to Raj. Look at this example. a2 is equal to Raj. Again, what is the difference between these two is, in a1 r is capital, whereas in a2 r is smaller. It is a small letter, and in a3 there is a string value Rajendra. Okay, so as I told you, compare to function return the integer value. So I am giving you example. Int l is equal to a1 dot compare to a2. So what is the meaning of this one is a1 string is going to compare with to the a2. So how the string will compare? a1 is, look at this point, a1 is equal to Raj, right? And a2 is equal to Raj. But in a1 r is capital and in a2 r is smaller. So small letter. So what will happen? This r will be compared with this one. This r, right? So r greater than r. Its meaning is this one. What is the meaning of this one? The first letter of a1 string will be compared with the first letter of a2 string. In a1 first letter is capital R and in a2 first letter is R. So what is the meaning of this one is a1 dot compared to a2 means R greater, capital R is greater than small r. Meaning is a sky value of capital R is greater than a sky value of small r. So I have written here all the sky values of capital letters as well as small letters. So capitals R value is MNOPQR. It is 82 and small r value is 119. As you know, in capital alphabets, A start with 65 and Z end with the 90 sky value. In small letter, A start with the 97 and end with the 122, right? So what is the meaning of int l is equal to a1 dot compared to a2 is, means r minus r, means a sky value of r minus a sky value of small r. So what will happen? It's 82 minus 114 is equal to minus 32. So what will be the output? What will store in this int l? Minus 32 will be stored. Now I am taking another example. Int l is equal to a2 dot compared to a1. Then a sky value of small r minus capital sky value of capital R. So 114 minus 82, the answer will come 32. In the third case, see int L is equal to A1 dot compared to A3. Now concentrate on this example. This is a special one. In A1 R A J, but in A3 R A J E N D R A. So how it will compare? R will compare with R. There will be no comparison because both are same. Then this small a will be compared with this small a. Again there is no comparison, both are same. Small j will compare with the small j, there will be no comparison. So in this case, in this example, if you are getting such types of example, so what will happen? First three letters of A1 are matching with the first three letters of A3. In this case, length of A1 minus length of A3. In A1, 1, 2, 3, three letters are there. A1, the length of A1 is 3, and in A3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 8. So what will happen? A1 minus A3. A1 minus A3 means 3 minus 8. Answer will come minus 5. If you change it, means you will write here A2 dot compared to A1. So what will happen? 8 minus 3, then answer will come 5. Means if all the letters are compared with the second string, and then in that case length will be compared. Equals function returns the boolean values true or false, whereas in compare to function returns the integer value. This is very important, right? Okay, thank you.